Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the LAMTTO 9-inch Apple CarPlay display, which you can put like on top of your dash in the car.
Yeah, so we don't have the CarPlay in our car, so we got this from
Amazon,
and we're going to unbox it now.
Yeah, this is 9-inch. It has support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
And Android, yep. Let's get the packaging out.
There you go, you can see Apple CarPlay.
Yep.
You open it from over here.
And then we've got something here to open. The reviews were quite good for this one.
Yeah. So we've gotten some styrofoam. And now this is the display, I think.
Yeah, it's quite big. 9-inch.
Yeah.
That's the display. This is an important points mentioned on it. The sticker. What else have we got?
We have gotten okay, this is the stand. This is the stand.
You have a stand with the sticky pad.
And this is also another part of the stand? Or is that the stand?
There's another type of stand. There are two types, I guess.
And then you attach the stand back here, I guess.
Yeah, that's it. I think this goes.
That is. So I think they both work.
So there are two types of stands. One is stick it on the dashboard.
Yeah.
Or on your windscreen and then connect it.
Yeah, you can adjust the height as well.
Yeah.
And
then you have this one, I think, which sits on your dashboard.
Yeah.
So there's two different options.
And then now, what is this again? This is the charger.
It goes into a cigarette lighter.
This is for the reverse camera. Which
we already have a reverse camera, so we may not install this.
Yeah. This looks like it's also something to do with the reverse camera.
This might be the audio connector, I'm not sure. And we've got some tape, extra tape to stick.
Yeah, extra tape, and then gotten warranty book. We gotten and smart screen user manual. So this is the LAMTTO CarPlay device completely set up.
So we've set it up in the car and we've stuck it up on
the windscreen
because it wouldn't stick on this
dashboard. It's not very sticky, and also the dashboard is curved.
Yeah.
But the wiring, you might have to figure something out.
So we did it this way because we don't have the cigarette lighter charger in front. Had to do it from the back.
And then we brought it down
all the way from underneath this and comes into this part
at the back
where it gets plugged in. And then we close this and it goes underneath.
Yeah.
So we've got some cable management sticking things to hold the wires in place. Got one here.
Yeah.
Wire goes underneath and into here.
So I've had this CarPlay device for about 2 months, and it's super sturdy, and we've not had any problems with it so far.